Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a load balancer target group for a VPS migration step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your cloud provider's management console. Navigate to the load balancer section of the dashboard. Identify the load balancer associated with your current VPS setup. Select the load balancer to access its configuration details. Locate the target group linked to this load balancer. Take note of the target group's settings, including health checks and target types. Prepare your new VPS environment by ensuring it's ready to accept traffic. Launch the new VPS instance if you haven't done so already. After the VPS is up, gather its private and public IP addresses. Return to the management console and head back to the target group configuration. Select the option to edit targets within the target group. Remove the old VPS's IP address or instance ID from the list of targets. Add the new VPS's private or public IP address as a target. Ensure that the health check configurations remain correctly set for the new target. Save your changes to the target group. Confirm that the status for the new target is healthy after a few moments. Monitor traffic to the new VPS to ensure everything is functioning properly. If issues arise, revisit the target group settings to troubleshoot. Document any changes made during the migration for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.